Okay, I'll call this emergency meeting together of the BOCC. It was posted here just a bit ago, as is accordance for purposes of anything that is an emergency. It's described in state statute. We've cleared this with the district attorney. We have an item. Is this executive session only, or is
No,
this?
so this is just to authorize you to reach out to these four firms, Vic Albert, Collins Wagner Zorn, Pierce Couch, or Gable Gottwalls, regarding their ability to represent us in this matter. It is not to exceed amount of $5,000. And it would also direct them to file the administrative appeal that's provided for in the Oklahoma Administrative Code within the 3-day period, so that we can avoid the potential for paying fines and or other administrative penalties, and I believe even potential criminal penalties.
Is that your motion?
Well, the motion would be that
To authorize the chair to contact those four firms and select one of them to represent us.
Yep.
And they would provide you, Commissioner, with an engagement letter describing their services.
Do you have a preference of which one, or you just say any which one that's available to do this Friday morning meeting?
yes, essentially. So just a thought about it. Gable Gottwalls, Robert McCampbell, just represented the trust against a state agency, not against, but represented a trust to a state agency on administrative rules or administrative code by the trust. So that would, I would think Robert McCampbell he knows the way the county works, but he also has great knowledge about that over there. And I think that we probably are thinking about the same reasons for choosing somebody that could think like Mr. McCampbell's. But I also think I recognized the name and it dawned on me who Vic Albert is. Years ago, working for you, Vic Albert was intimately involved with some stuff. But either one of those would be my preference. Pierce Couch could be good, and I don't know anybody at Collins Wagner Zorn. I do know that they are very intimately involved with county.
Yeah, Commissioner Davidson, I know that Mr. Albert expressed that he would be interested. I believe Jeffrey Henderson from Pierce Couch did. I know that those two at least expressed an interest. As regard to the other two firms, I do not know about their availability. So I think, Commissioner Mon, if you want to reach out to them, gauge their interest and select one.
You want the cheapest billable hour, or do you want just, what if multiple firms are available?
Again, multiple firms being available, I would rank it probably Gable Gottwalls, Vic Albert, and then Pierce Couch. Jeff Hendrickson he's represented us in the past. He's good for sure. And again, it's nothing against Colin Wagner Zorn. I know we've used him for stuff, but I don't remember exactly how much we've had involvement with him. But again,
You okay with that?
Yeah, okay. Commissioner, I, due to the urgency of trying to get this resolved, we'll leave it to your
judgment. Second.
You got that, Cassie? Okay.
The motion would be to authorize the BOCC chair to enter into a legal contract with either Vic Albert, Collins Wagner Zorn, Pierce Couch, or Gable Gottwalls for representation in a pending investigation, claim, or action against the Board of County Commissioners by the Oklahoma Department of Labor in an amount not to exceed $5,000. This would be pending the encumbrance of fund and directing the firm to file an administrative appeal on behalf of the board as provided for in Oklahoma Administrative Code at 380-50-7-3 within the 3 days.
Second.
Okay. Any further discussion? All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Any comments from either of you two? Hearing none, any citizens? No. Is there a motion to adjourn?
So moved.
Second.
All in favor, say aye.
Aye.